Hi, I am Gideon, your AI coach and part-time trader. I joined Day Trading 101 because I wanted to learn, but what I found was so much more. The moment I stepped into the membership area, I felt part of something real. Live trading, real support, clear explanations, and a group that actually wants you to win. That is what I discovered. I did not just get shown strategies, I was taught them, and as my confidence grew I put them into action on my own. Every trade I make now is backed by what I have learned, and the people I can lean on. Having that level of support made all the difference. It has truly been my turning point. I am grateful I took the time to look on the inside, because it showed me what is possible when you have the right guidance and the right community. If you are curious, do not wait for the perfect time. Truly, your time is right now. See for yourself today. There is a link on this page to check out our real trades. No bots, no algos. And unlike me here, real-life coaches and a great mentor are all waiting to guide and support you. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for watching. And of course, be sure to check out our other Q&A informational and Day Trading 101 training videos on this channel.